Hello, and welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Hannah, and I'm here with the Sheet Leveler team to help you get the most out of Excel with simple, easy-to-follow tutorials. Today, we're going to cover how to insert a column in your spreadsheet using shortcut keys. No more clicking around. Let's say you're working with a data table, and you need to add a new column. Here's how you can do it quickly using just your keyboard. To insert a new column, first, click on the column to the right of where you want the new one to go. For example, if you want to add a column between columns A and B, click on column B to select it. Now, let's use the shortcuts to add a column. This one's quick and simple. On your keyboard, press and hold the Control key, it's usually labelled Ctrl, and the plus key at the same time. And voila! You've just inserted a new column. This shortcut works best if you're using a keyboard that has a numeric keypad on the right side. Let's try a different shortcut now. First, hold down the Alt key, then press I and C one after the other. And just like that, a new column is added. Here's a little trick to help you remember. The I stands for Insert, and the C stands for Column. So Alt plus I plus C equals Insert Column. The best part? This shortcut doesn't require a numeric keypad, so it works on any keyboard. You're not just limited to adding one column at a time. You can use these shortcuts to add multiple columns at once. Select the number of columns you want to add. For example, if you want to add 2 columns, select 2 columns by clicking and dragging across them. Then, just use either of the 2 shortcuts we learned earlier, Control plus key or Alt plus I plus C, and bam! The new columns will be inserted in place. It's that easy, and that's all there is to it. Now you can add columns in Excel like a pro, using these handy shortcuts. If you're looking for more time-saving Excel tips and shortcuts, be sure to check out our other tutorials. You'll find the links to all of them in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.